So my military service started right out of high school. I enlisted in the Connecticut Army National Guard, and I transferred to where my heart was in the infantry, Charlie Company, 1st Battalion, 102nd Infantry, the Dirty Deuce. And from there, I stayed on, took on ADSW full-time work for a while, and then deployed in 2009. We went to Afghanistan. When I got back, I had some readjustment issues. With that, I found a lot about myself and the benefits available to me, and just how much the military and the community college system can help. The community college system offered me more than a pathway. They offered me a variety. There were windows of opportunity open everywhere that I could just go through, but it's just a little bit closer knit at QV. The Veterans Oasis Center at Danielson is great. There's someone there all the time just to make sure that you're not alone, and it's a center where you can be a little more wacky than just the library, which I think that's what a lot of veterans want in that Oasis, so it's a good thing. The way I would sum up my experience at QV and what made it so special, it's the small class sizes. For mathematics, I got to have the same teacher through Calc 1, 2, 3, and the same for linear algebra. That's irreplaceable. Consistency is irreplaceable. And you have a better opportunity getting that in a small, intimate school system like the Connecticut Community College system. Choose your own path. Don't let anyone else tell you what to do. But the community college system and the military, they complement each other perfectly. The skills you learn in one will be of great benefit to the other. The benefits you earn in one will help you through the other.
I was in the Navy for 4 years as an airframes technician, so I worked on flight control surfaces of F-18s. I decided on a career in manufacturing because I didn't have enough experience coming out of the Navy to get a job in aviation maintenance. I went to Isnuntuck Community College in Enfield, and when I got there, I was amazed at how much stuff they had. Like, they teach you how to make things with your hands, and you get dirty, and it's awesome. And there's a lot of experience there too. All their instructors have a lot of experience, and they work really well together. So overall, the whole thing was awesome. I think the best parts of the program was the support, the amount of time that they put into everybody. It made you really want to work really hard, and it made you know that you could do it. I'm a production technician at Pratt & Whitney in East Hartford. Without having gone to Isnuntuck, I never would have been able to network well enough to get a job there. My employment started a few months before I graduated. They worked really hard with me to make sure that I could finish everything. Pretty grateful for that. What I like most about manufacturing is this thing that you're creating is gonna go, and it's gonna take people around the world, and it's exciting to know that you're gonna make something that's that important.
I'm from Puerto Rico. I enjoy the Army because I believe in the Constitution of the State of America. I believe in the democracy. My MOS is 11 Bravo Infantry. I was on Lakeland Air Force Base, San Antonio. I served in the military for 3 years. I get out of the Army in 2005. After that, I moved to Connecticut. That was the time when I realized that, I enjoy being on the manufacturing because it's a job where I can use my mind and I like teamwork. I heard about the advanced manufacturing program at Basatoni Community College on Bridgeport. I say, this is me and I'm going to go to that program. Being a veteran was very important because they pay for the school, they pay for my tool, they bring me computer, they understand my situation, my mental health issue. And after class, I can go to the teacher and they take the time to show me how to understand that process. Yeah, I can say to the veteran that it's a great opportunity to go to community college. It's an opportunity that you can go forward, that it's no matter what happened to you when you was on the service, you can get better, and you can grow like a professional person. I want to be one of the best machinists on the United States, and I would like it to be supervisor.
Before I came to Naugatuck Valley, I was a truck driver for 35 years. I had to change my career and I chose manufacturing. I like working with my hands and the satisfaction of making that part to the right specification. Well, Naugatuck Valley was local. I live in Waterbury and they offered a good program here. I'm a veteran of the Air Force, and by being a veteran, my GI Bill helped pay some of my lab fees and some of my tuition. Coming back to school after 35 years of being away, I found it very easy. I thought it was going to be hard. Got a great GPA, done great with all my classes, and I enjoy it. I want to come back and become an engineer. The best part of the program, I believe, is the internship. After going through a semester of classes, it's taught me enough to go out and do what these companies need me to do. My internship is at ASML in Wilton. They make the machines to make circuit boards for Samsung and Intel. My encouragement to other veterans would be to come on in and talk to an advisor. The staff and teachers of the college are very helpful in anything that you need. I would recommend the manufacturing trade to anybody that works with their hands, likes to use their head. And right now there's many jobs out there for the manufacturing field.